Hello beautiful people, my name is Kristen. Thank you for coming by my channel. Today we have the Coloring in a Classic, and I think this will probably be the last month that I get this. I have found that it's a subscription. Let me tell you. For $19.99 you get a book of your choosing of what genre, plus an activity book, plus a coloring book. But I've been getting it several months and I'm finding I'm not using the activity books or the coloring books. And even though $19.99 is a good price for a box, I feel like, I could find one hardback book on sale in the sale rack at my bookstore and support my bookstore that way. So anyway, I have enjoyed it. I recommend it if that would be, something useful to you. But let's see what I got for this last and final box. Let's see, My Mother, My Heart, a Joyful Look book to color. So here's obviously the coloring book. I love the birds. That's cute. Let's flip through some pages here. Cute. Look at the little owls. That's cute. All right, I like this one. It's a really nice, and it's very good quality. The quality is up there. I can only color so much. That's not as much of my thing that I need a new book every month. And then there is a word search puzzle book, martial arts word search. This is hard word searches, so I like that. I have Sudoku in this martial arts Sudoku, a couple different levels, so I enjoy having that. I'm not mad about it. I'm just not sure how much I'll use it. Let me see. Oh, they put in the lollipop, and this one is tangerine. A good end of the summer kind of flavor. Those are delicious. And you get, okay, so let's see. My genre that I pick is nonfiction. This is Lies, Spies, and a Conspiracy to Protect Predators, Catch and Kill, by Ronan Farrow, winner of the Pulitzer Prize. In a dramatic account of violence and espionage, Pulitzer Prize winning investigative reporter Ronan Farrow exposes serial abusers and a cabal of powerful interests hell-bent on covering up the truth. Set in 2017, routine network television investigation led Ronan Farrow to a story only whispered about. One of Hollywood's most powerful producers was a predator. All right. Untold story of the exotic tactics of surveillance and intimidation deployed by wealthy connected men, threatening journalists, evading accountability, and silencing victims of the abuse. There's probably a lot of that kind of abuse of power going on. It's kind of one of those things that's sad to read about, but it might be interesting, and actually, like, at some point you may be able to recognize a harm or something bad done to somebody else. I don't know. I will check it out probably at some point. It will be in my stack of books. And since this is a book related video, I'm going to share a quick story. My local library does book sales 2 times a year, a spring and a fall. And I always kind of target the fall because it's right before, the winter and the snow's in and all that kind of stuff. And I go like every other day, and it's a whole week long. So I go at least 3 times, usually 4 times, and I will get anywhere from 20 to 40 books. And they're only $1 for paperbacks and $2 for hardbacks. And so, like, literally probably at least a third, if not half, of the books that I physically read in a year come from my library sale, because people donate back like the bestsellers and everything. And so it's just this great thing. I don't get to read the top books for that year necessarily, but within 2 or 3 years, I have access to them for a really reasonable price. So obviously with COVID, they couldn't have the one in the spring. And so I was Googling today, when is it for September? Because that's the fall. And they combined the spring one that they couldn't have with the fall one, and they had it at the beginning of August. So now they don't plan to have another one till at least the spring. I'm so sad. I'm so sad. It's like part of the joy was going and hunting through all the stacks, and because they're kind of sort of organized but not really. And so anyway, I'm sad. I just thought I would share. And it's a PSA. If you have local books and library sales, or if you've never checked, check and see. That is an outstanding way to pick up a bunch of books. So there's your tidbit of the day, and thank you for stopping in. You can let me know if you've actually read this book or have a book to read. I will see you later. Bye-bye.